Hello everyone, and on high demand, I'm been presenting with you the branch psychiatry, for which how many marks and how much rank is needed for all the categories here listed. So I'm starting off with general category in the psychiatry seats in government colleges. So here I go. In general category, in round 1, the last seat was allotted till 9,249 rank and 597 marks. In round 2, it extended to 10,817 rank and 582 marks. This is for general category and Neet PG 2018 national counseling. Now for OBC, what are the figures? Let's check it. So in round 1 in OBC, 11,271, the last seat for psychiatry was uh, allotted, and 579 marks were required, and 11,059 rank and 580 marks were required in round 2 for the last seat of psychiatry. For the OBC category, this was. Now the SC category, for MD Psychiatry, so the first round rank 24,896 rank and 486 marks, and in round 2 29,121 rank and 464 marks were required for, and the last seat was allotted in the government colleges for SC category. Now moving on to ST category. In 2018 Neet PG National Counseling, the round first rank 50,854 rank and 369 marks were needed, and in round 2 49,849 rank and 373 marks were required for the last seat allotted in government colleges in ST category for MD Psychiatry in Neet PG 2018 National Counseling. Now for general physical handicap candidates, the round first only the seats were over. So the minimum rank was, the last seat was allotted at 67,484 rank and 311 marks for general physical handicap candidates. Now for SC physical handicap, no seats were allotted in 2018 National Counseling. And now for OBC physical handicap, the last seat was allotted in round 1 only for 76,461 rank and 284 marks. So this is all for MD Psychiatry. Comment if you want to know about any other branches. I am all ready to make you all informed. Stay tuned, and if I am helpful to you, I will be grateful. Thank you.